Hello, my name is Vedh Atmakuri. I'm currently 15 years old. I'm in 10th grade and I'm from San Jose, California. So the project that I created is called News Sentiment Analysis System. So what the app does is that it's made to analyze the sentiment of any news article given. So it takes in a headline and gives you the result, and that result is either positive, neutral, or negative. It also allows you to choose a topic of the news you want to analyze, as well as make a new spreadsheet for organization. The project uses Python and various other libraries like gnewsclient, pandas, Streamlit, and scikit-learn to perform sentiment analysis on news headlines. News headlines are collected from Google News API and combined with a label dataset for sentiment analysis. After pre-processing and feature engineering, a decision tree classifier is trained using TF-IDF vectorization. Then this model's accuracy and sentiment predictions are then evaluated, providing insights to public sentiments on different topics. Then we use Streamlit to give the project its look, adding a header, entry box, and buttons while making the spreadsheet of the fetched data. So what this project does is that it looks at Google News, takes a bunch of news articles from a specific topic, puts it into a new Excel spreadsheet, and then analyzes the sentiment from there. So here is a little demo. So here is what the system actually looks like when you open it up. So you can see the header of News Sentiment Analysis System. Here it asks you to select the topic. We see a drop-down menu and there's 4 different topics. So you can choose any one of these. For the sake of the example, I'm going to choose politics. Then we're going to fetch the news and save it to an Excel file. Then if we actually search this Excel file, news underscore data underscore politics, here, we can see that it actually opens up an Excel file where we can see the topic that we fetched the news for. We can see the title that the article has and the link for the article. Then here, when we want to analyze the sentiment, you just click the button to analyze the sentiment. It tells you the result and it tells you how many of the news articles were positive, how many were neutral. Then you can scroll down looking through the news data. You can see all the different titles, the links, and the sentiment under them. And this goes on for how many ever articles that the project actually fetches. So in this case, it would be 20. Yeah, here's just showing how many news articles it can fetch. For another one, let's just use technology. We can fetch and save the news to an Excel file. Again, it'll save the news to this Excel file here. Then we click analyze the sentiment and we can see the total result that there's 2 positive news, 1 negative, and 67 neutral. And then again, you can just scroll down here and look through the news yourself. Thank you.